First of all, I want you to understand that you can currently access Sora 2 anywhere in the world. So you mustn't be in the United States or Canada. In fact, you don't even need VPN to access Sora 2 currently. Okay, that is what I'll be showing us in this video, and I will also show you how to create mind-blowing video using Sora 2. Okay, so we're not going to be wasting much time in this video, guys. Let's go straight to the video. Okay, so the best place to access Sora 2 is Higgsfield's AI. So you can see right here, as long as you are using this AI, you have access to a lot of things right here. Okay, so you can see the Sora 2 trends. You can actually create UGC video, commercial, action movement. So to get access to Sora 2, come over to video. Okay, so you can see these are the tools under video. So you can create lip sync and every damn thing right here. So they also have here the Sora 2 enhancer, meaning if your video is of poor quality, you can actually use this to enhance your video quality. And they also have here the Google View 3.1. I'm sure you are not aware that Google View has upgraded to 3.1. okay, so with this we have access to it. They also have here the 2.1. so we are here for this Sora 2. So I'll click on it. So right here you can actually generate your video using your image or your prompt. So what I'm gonna do right now is generating my image. Okay, I want to use image so I can have the best version of what I want to create right now. So to do that, I'll go over to this tool called PicLumen. So PicLumen is one of the tools I love so much. It gives realistic images, videos, and anything you are creating with this tool right here. You can see they have the AI art generator, AI replace, AI image extender, and everything right here. So to get started, I'll click on generate. Okay, so here is the home page. Now to get started, I'll come over to create. Alright, so to get started with this, use the link in the description of this video. So whatever tool I'm mentioning in this video, the tool will be in the description of this video, so check it out. Now this is it. I'll paste my prompt right here. So this is it. Describe a piece you want to create. So I've already arranged my prompts. Okay, so I'll copy my prompt. Okay, so I'll paste my prompt right here, and this is what you're going to be creating in this video: an ultra realistic cinematic action shot of a professional spy leaping through a large glass. Okay, now I'll leave the prompt which I'm using in this video, okay, just in case you want to use it. Okay, so I'll leave the link to this prompt in the description of this video. Okay, so to avoid going through all this which might consume our time, so this is the prompt I'm using, okay, for this video. And here you can actually add the image reference. This is, if I click on plus, it simply means I can add photo right here, okay, as a reference picture, but I'm not doing that. Right, so this is it. You can select your aspect ratio, which is they have the 1:1, 19:6. So I'm creating video for YouTube, so I'll select this 16:9, and here you have images per batch. So I'll just leave it at 1 just to save my. Okay, let me use 2. okay, so I will have the option to select any one I need. Okay, so to select 3 options, you must be on the paid version of this AI. So since I am on the free version, I can't exceed this. So you can see if I'm generating 1 image, I'll be charged just 1 credit, and if I'm generating 2, I'll be charged 2. So you can see this is one of the things I love so much about this particular AI. So I'll click on generate. Okay, so in less than a minute I have this. Okay, this is just exactly what I needed. You can see how realistic it looks. If I go back, let me check the second one right here. Okay, this is just so nice. So I think I'm cool with this particular one right here. So I will look for the download button, which is this. So I'll download this. Now we have gotten our image. Now the second step is converting this image to video. So I'll go back to Higgsfield. First of all, I will upload that image right here. So this is it. Now click on this image icon, then select my image. So what I need to do right here is pressing my prompts. Okay, I will just describe this video the way I want the video to look like. So I've already generated my prompt, which I'm going to be using for this. So here we go. I'll paste my prompt. And boom. Okay, so this is the prompt I'm using right here: ultra realistic cinematic action scene of a professional spy breaking through a large glass window in a high-rise building. Okay, now like I said, I'm gonna be dropping the prompt which I'm using in this video, okay, in the description of this video. And the next thing right here is this. So you can select some model. If I click on this, so they have lots of models right here. So we are using the Sora 2, so I'll just leave it as Sora 2. The next thing right here is selecting your aspect ratio. So this is it. I'm creating video for YouTube, so I will just leave it at 16:9. Another thing here is the duration. So here you can see 12 seconds. If I click on that, you can choose 8 seconds, 4 seconds. Let me select it. So if I select 8 seconds, it simply means I'll be charged 20 credits for this if I'm generating just 8 seconds video. So I'll just leave it at 8 seconds and I'll click on generate. So let's see what we have from this. And to be very honest with you, to have access to Sora 2 via Hixfix, you have to be on the premium version. So you can see right here, their basic plan here is 9 USDT every single month. That is if you are going for the annual, okay. But if you are to go for the monthly subscription, this is it, stay the same, okay, nothing changes. 9 USDT on monthly basis. And this is the pro, 29 USDT, and ultimate 49, creator 249 USDT. Now this is actually worth it because with Hixfix you have access to other models like 1, 2.5 and the rest of them right here. So at the moment, accessing Sora 2 via Hixfix, you will have to be either on basic, pro, ultimate or creator subscription. Then you can also use other models right here for free. So you can see I just selected mine to 1, 2.5 fast. So you can see continue with this video, okay. And if I click on generate, let's wait for the result. Now the truth is that Hixfix is one of the best AI tools I've tested so far, okay. So if you are going for the subscription, it is worth it, okay. So to start using it, use the link in the description of this video and you are good to go. So let's wait for the results, and boom, our video is ready right here. So you can see, since I'm on the free version, okay, on the free version of it, you can see this is the watermark, okay, which is 100% easy to remove, right? I've already made a video on how to remove watermarks from any video or picture, so I will leave the link to the video in the comment section of this video or in the description. So let's play this video and see how it goes. And that is it. You can see how realistic it looks, super realistic. So this is what you got when you choose Hixfix AI. It is, in fact, it delivers amazing what we say. That is it on this video. Thank you guys, and if you found value in this video, consider subscribing to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future contents like this. Thank you and see you in my next video.